Hello students and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this chapter we will discuss some basics related to chemical formulae. Actually जो हमने chapter 1 discuss किया है class 10 का उसमें काफ़ी chemical formulae use होते हैं जो आपने class 9 में study किए थे. तो उन्हें हम एक बार recall कर लेते हैं. Just recall all the tables and everything. We will revise it. Fine. So this is a very important table जिसमें you will get the symbols for all the elements. Okay. So element name is given in the first column and in the second column its corresponding symbol is given. Aluminium is Al, argon is Ar, barium is Ba and so on. Just remember all these. इसमें क्या होता है कई बार हमें इक्वेशन वर्ड फॉर्म में दे देते हैं जैसे बेरियम क्लोराइड रिएक्ट्स विद तो आपको अगर पता ही नहीं होगा कि बेरियम क्लोराइड हम कैसे लिखें तो यू कैन नॉट प्रोसीड विद द क्वेश्चन सो ये सिंबल्स आप सब लर्न कर सकते हो फॉर ऑल द एलिमेंट्स राइट. Next comes the table for names and symbols of some ions. Ions, as you know, ions are like they are having some charge with them. Either it can be positive charge or it can be a negative charge. Like for sodium, we have Na plus, potassium K plus, silver Ag plus. So just try to remember what charge they are carrying. Okay, like magnesium is Mg2 plus. Okay, so two positive charge units it's carrying. Then iron, suppose we see iron 2 is also there, iron 3 is also there. So iron 2 will be Fe2 plus, iron 3 will be Fe3 plus. Just remember all these, right? So now we have some non-metallic elements like hydrogen is H plus, hydride ion is H minus, all these, just remember them. And then polyatomic ions. What are polyatomic ions? देखो जैसे इसमें ammonium है NH4 plus. So it is having two kinds of atoms. No, nitrogen also, hydrogen also, but collectively it is an ion, right? So these ones are really important. Polyatomic जो है हमारे वो equations में हमारी बहुत help करते हैं. Like nitrate will be used many times, hydroxide, sulfide, sulfate, phosphate. Just learn this table properly. Now let's see how we write the formula, chemical formula for these compounds. Suppose we have hydrogen chloride. So we write H, we write Cl. Valency we check. जैसे अभी हमने table में देखा था how much charge they are carrying. So this is H plus form में होता है ये और ये Cl minus. So one unit. One you will write here, cross it. So it becomes HCl. Next we have hydrogen sulfide. So H and S, right? H was written as H plus, sulfide होता है S2 minus, right? So S2 minus, so 2 here, 1 here. Cross them, so H2S it becomes. Next one is the carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so carbon has a valency of 4, chloride has 1, so we cross them, it becomes CCl4. Then is magnesium chloride. Mg is 2, Cl is 1, so it becomes MgCl2 on crossing. So this way we can write the formula. Next we have aluminium oxide. So aluminium, you know, it carries a charge of 3 plus. Oxygen, it carries a charge of 2 minus. You cross them, so it becomes Al2O3. Similarly for calcium oxide, what happens? Ca, it has a charge of 2 plus, or O, it has a charge of 2 minus. So if we cross them, it becomes Ca2O2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, it is same, so it becomes Ca, right? Next is sodium nitrate. Sodium is Na, nitrate is NO3 minus. Okay, so 1 charge is there, we cross them, NaNO3. Calcium hydroxide, we write calcium Ca. Hydroxide is OH minus. So this is 1 charge. Calcium is basically Ca2 plus. So we cross them, we get CaOH whole twice. Just remember this, इसमें OH के around you have to put brackets क्योंकि ये common है, ये 2 है ना, पूरा hydroxide ion के लिए है, right? Next we have sodium carbonate. So sodium is Na plus, right? Carbonate is CO3, 2 minus. So 2 minus charge is there, you cross them, so it becomes Na2CO3. Next is ammonium sulfate. Ammonium we saw in the table, it was NH4 plus. And sulfate is SO4 2 minus. Just cross them, so it becomes NH4 whole twice, SO4. Just remember this NH4 को भी आप brackets में put करोगे because this 2 is common for the complete ammonium ion, right? Thank you so much for watching the lecture. सो ये लेक्चर आपका अगर बेसिक स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है केमिकल फॉर्मूलाज को लेकर, उससे आपको इम्प्रूव करने में हेल्प करेगा। तो इफ़ यू गो थ्रू दीज टेबल्स एंड जस्ट लर्न ऑल दीज टेबल्स, तो ये आपको काफ़ी हेल्प करेंगे इक्वेशंस राइटिंग।